We're now going to look at our problem and see how to solve it using only mathematical symbols, mathematical models, and, as we've seen before, a mathematical equation. So our problem is the same. A company had $360 in profits. Manny earned 65% of the profits. How much money did Manny earn for the company? So we have a couple of things going on here. First of all, we know that $360 is 100% of the profits. What we want to find is what is 65% of the profits. And we don't know that. So we're going to show that using the letter M for money. And now we've set up our proportion. We have the ratio of 360 to M equals the ratio 100 is to 65. So now let's solve this proportion. The first thing we do in solving this proportion is we multiply both sides by 65 and both sides by M. So we have 360 over M equals 100 over 65. That's our equation. And now we multiply both equations, both sides of the equation, by 65 and by M. 65 times M. On the left-hand side, M over M gives us 1. So all we have is 65 times 360. So it's 65 times 360. On the right-hand side, 65 over 65 gives us 1. So we have left 100 times M. Now we calculate 65 times 360. 65 times 360 is 23,400. And that's going to be equal to 100 M. When we have this in an equation, the way we now solve this equation for M is to divide both sides by 100. So we have 23,400 on the left side, 100 M on the right side, and we divide both sides by 100. When we divide 23,400 by 100, we get 234. When we divide 100M by 100, we get M. So that means our M is for 234. Our M was representing 65% of our total, which was 360. So that means then that if M was representing how much Manny made, then Manny earned $234 for the company. And again, we started with the idea that the profits here, the $360, is 100% of the profits. We wanted to find out 65% of the profits, and we represented that by M. That gave us two ratios, 360 to M, right there, 100 to 65, right here. Solving this proportion, we get that Manny earned $234 for the company.